Welcome to TriNet Back 365. Myself Sujit. So today we are going to start a new concept that is operator. Okay. Till now, if you have any doubts related to your data types, variable, and the short history of this Python, you can one more time you can watch the video, and still if you have any doubts you can contact to tridents. Okay, now in this series, means in the Python series, now we are going to start the operator. Okay, so what is the operator and what is the need and what is the different type of operator that will be available in our Python? In this session we are going to complete. So guys, what is the need of this operator? First we need to understand. So guys, if I take telling that this is a consist of a expression, means it means I just write 2 plus 3 equal to 5, means this will be entire thing, it will be treated as a expression. Okay, then if you see this 2 3 and 5, the 2 3, this will be treated as my operand, means by the help of these two value I need to subtract or add or multiply. Then here we are using some operator, means to consist of a expression, it will be consist of operand and operator. So this type means as of now I just use this and operator or addition operator. So in this place we have used different type of operator. That is the use of this operator in our Python program or any different programming also. Okay, so first we need to write the different type of operator that are available in our Python. So first operator will be arithmetic operator. Okay, so arithmetic operator means we are from the starting of our journey in the reading, we have already used this operator, but in this Python how it going to work, we're going to see. Okay, so first thing will be the arithmetic operator. Then we have our assignment operator. Okay, so for this session we are only complete this arithmetic, and for the another upcoming session we are going to cover all the remaining operator. Okay, so first I'll give you the different type of, then logical, then our bitwise operator. Okay, then the comparison operator, then in the sixth we have membership operator. Then in the seventh, identity operator. Last one will be ternary operator. But the ternary operator we are going to see whenever we are going to start our if statement or block. Okay, as of now in this session, the Python series, okay, for this operator in this session we are only completing this 7, and for this remaining ternary operator we are going to complete in a file. We are completing this operator, and we have something concept called typecasting. Then we can start, then we can see this ternary operator. Okay, so for this session we are going to see what is arithmetic operator. Okay, we know that operator are used to, okay, so I'll give you that particular things also. Okay, so operators are used to performing some operation, means in that case also between two operand. Okay, if you see here also, means we are performing some operation here only. So it will be telling that operator will be used for to performing some tasks by the help of this two operand. Okay, so then we are going to start what is arithmetic operator. So in arithmetic operator also we have different type of operator that we are going to see. The first one will be addition of operator, then the subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Then we have multiply operator. Okay, or we can say that multiple operator. Then we have our modular division. Then we in this we have two more, true division. Okay, and one more will be float division. Okay, and last one will be exponential operator. But in this arithmetic operator only. These different type of operator that are available in this. So each and everything we are going to see based on our data types. Means we have already covered single value and multiple or collection. So based on that, we are going to see through an example. Okay, first we are going to start this arithmetic operator. Inside that arithmetic, we are going to see all the addition operator. Okay, our first operator will be integer. Means first I need to add two integer. Okay, it will be possible or not, we are going to see, check everything. Guys, if you see, it will be performing some expression, means 2 plus 3. So whenever I want going to run this one, so it will be gives me 5 as my output, but it will taking some time, but it will give me. Okay, so means we are going to see each and everything output based on our data type we are already covered. So it will be give me the output as 5. Now if I'm taking two float division, sorry, two floating value, okay, or float value, then what is my output also I want to see. Means based on different type of operator, it will be supporting or not. Okay, so it will also give me that particular things. Now the next one will be our boolean data type. Okay, now if I'm going to give, so we know that whenever we are going to use our boolean and we are using some mathematical operation, at that case my boolean value will be converted true as to 1 and false as to 0. Okay, now if I'm going to run this, so it will be gives me 1 plus 0 1. Okay guys, then the next data type will be complex. So I'll take 2 complex, 2 plus 3j, and again I just want to take 3 plus 4j. Okay, now if I'm going to run this, so it will be like that, 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 4j. Okay, so it will be gives me 5 plus 7j. Just see guys. Now this is our related to our single value data type. Now we are going to add in our collection data type. That will be, first one will be string. So I just want to add two strings. So I'll add pride plus solution. Okay, now if I'm going to add this one, so it will also possible. But guys, if you see here, it will be not taking space. If you want to taking space, either here you can give a one space, or here you can give one space. Okay, both side you can give. Okay, because we know that in our string, if you are giving a space also, it will be counting through as an space character. Okay, now I just want to add two list. Okay, so I'll take two list and I want to add. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will possible. Just see guys, 1 2 3 1 2 3 means it will be not adding like that 1 plus 1 2 plus 2. It will only adding 1 2 3 1 2 3, just like that. Then for the same also, for this table also it will be same. Okay, so just see guys, I'm taking two table. Okay, now also it will be just only adding these two things. Okay, now guys, the next one will be set. Okay, so I'll take two set. Based on that I need to add. So I'll take two set. It will possible, because we need to check that each and everything it will be possible or not. Now if I'm going to add these two set guys, what is my output? Just see. Okay, so unsupported operand for plus means set will be not possible in our addition operator or in the arithmetic operator. Okay, now we are going to check this. The last of data type will be dictionary. Now if I'm taking dictionary, means one dictionary. Okay, one will be 20. Then I want to add to a another dictionary. So I'll take b equal to 40. Now if I'm going to give this, so guys, we know that Python is an interpreted programming language. If this line will be error, so remaining line will be not getting executed. That's why I just comment this thing. Okay, now if I'm going to run this one, so guys, it will be also give me a error, means dictionary also not possible in our addition operator. So that's why it will be showing type error. So to observe this example, we can say that Whenever we are going to use our arithmetic operator by the help of this addition operator, set and dictionary will not support. Okay, remaining all the data types are support in our case of addition operator. Okay, then the next one will be subtraction operator. Okay, so now we are just doing that particular thing. So subtraction, first I will take two integer. Okay, 2 plus 3. Okay, then I need to take two floor division, 3 plus 0 minus 2 plus 0. Then I want to take two boolean value, true minus false. Okay, then the last one will be two complex value. Okay, 2 plus 3j minus 5 plus 4j. Now if I am going to give this type of, means for this all single value it will possible, and it also gives you some output. Means here it will be gives 1, then here it will gives you 1.0. In the boolean also it will be give 1, 1 minus 0, 1. Now if I'm going to use this complex also, it will be doing like that. Means it will be executing like this. 2 minus 5, it will be minus 3, and 3 minus 4j, it will be taking as minus 1j. Okay, now we are going to check in our collection data type. Okay, now if I'm going to take two string, okay, I'll take prime minus solution. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will throwing an error. Means we can say that we cannot use subtraction operator in our string data type. So now I want to check for this. Means I'll taking this example, guys, so it will be more helpful because we are going to write same thing multiple times. That's why here I just want to give a minus operator or subtraction. Now also if I'm going to run this one, it will also gives me an error. Guys, just see unsupport operator in list. Means in using of your subtraction, the string will not possible, and the list also it will not possible. Now we are going to check in the table. Okay, now if you are going to give also table, it will also not supported in your table also. Now also we need to comment this one. Now we are going to see for this. Sorry, I need to change this operator. So I'll take subtraction of operator. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will also, so dictionary. So guys, just a second, I need to comment this one. Again, guys just see, it will be give me a empty list, sorry, empty set, because if you see it will be subtracting 1 minus 1 0 means I need to change this example, then only you can give a get a picture. Okay, so guys just give me a second, I need to change this example. So I'll take set 1, I want to take 1 2 3. Means set will possible in case of your subtraction operator. Okay, and the list, table and string, it will be not possible. Okay, so I'll take 5 and 6. Now I just want to print s1 minus s2. Okay, again I just want to print s2 minus s1. Okay, because both are not same, that's why guys. Okay, now if I'm going to run for this first one, it will gives you the difference between these two operator. Means it will gives you 1 2. Now for this s2 minus s1, it will be gives you 5 6, because in your mathematical also it will same. If you are checking two operator, okay, in the using of your set, it will be removing the same part, and it will be difference, keep the difference remaining in the set, because we are using s1 minus s2. That's why it will gives you 1 2, because 1 2 will not present add in your set 2. That's why if I'm going to run this one first, it will be giving me 1 2, and for this line it will gives me 5 6. Okay, so it will also possible in our set, the subtraction operator. Now I just want to use in this subtraction operator in our dictionary. Now if I'm going to run this one, so guys it will be showing error. Means the dictionary data type will not supported using your subtraction operator. So this is all about our subtraction operator by using of our different type of data type that are available in our Python. Now we are going to see this multiplication operator. Okay, so I'll take 2 into 5, means this will be treated as my integer value. Then I just want to use two floating value, 2 into 3 plus 0. Okay, now I just want to take true into false, true into false. Then I just want to take the complex value. Okay, so I'll take 2 plus 3j into 3 plus 4j. Okay, guys, just see if I'm going to run this one, what is my output? Means it will be simply in your mathematical also 2 into 5, it will be gives you 10. Then 2 in 2.0 into 3.0, it will gives you 6.0. And here it will be converted into 1 into 0, it will be gives you 0. And for here also it will same, but it will be performing some operation, means 2 into 6, then 2 into 4, just like that. It will be gives you minus 6.170. Okay, now we are going to check in our string. Okay, so I just want to copy this example. Okay, these are, because it will be taking so much of time, that's why, guys. Okay, so guys, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact to Pride. Okay, now I just want to check in my case of my string value. Okay, now guys, just if I'm going to run this one, means try write into solution cannot multiply sequence by non-integer of type str. It will be telling that we cannot add two strings, but it will be possible if you are giving some different value. Means I just want to try write. Okay, try write into a integer value. I'll take 3. So I just want to comment it out, and I also commented this thing also. Now if I'm going to run, it will be printing 3 time try writes, because in Python we can do like that. If you want to give a space among each and everything, you can give like that, try write, try write, try write. So in the string, the multiplication operator will be not possible, but if you are using your one integer and one string, it will be possible. Now we are going to check using your list, tuple, and your set and your dictionary. So guys, if I'm going to run this one, it will also in your list also, it will be gives you error. Now if I'm going to again run for the table, it will also gives you error. Now if I'm going to run this for your, sorry, for your set also, it will gives you error. Okay, now for the dictionary also, if I'm going to run this one, it will be gives you error. Means we cannot add your any collection data type by using this multiplication operator, but we can add a one list, tuple, and set with a digit number. Now if I'm going to add a list 1 2 3 into a number called 3, so it will be gives me 3 times that particular list. Okay, now if I'm going to take a tuple, okay, 1 2 3, now I just want to add 3 times, it will also give me that 3 time tuple. Okay, just see. But if you are going to add this set, okay, so guys, it will be not possible using this set. Okay, just you want to check this one particular thing. Now you can get a clear picture that it will not possible. Okay, only the multiplication operator will be possible in our single value data type, not possible in our collection data type. But if you are giving this one set, sorry, one string, one tuple, and one list, it will be possible. Okay guys, so that's all for this session. We are remaining of our modular division, true division, and float division. Okay, so in this session we are going to complete this exponential. Okay, remaining the modular division, true division, and floor division in the upcoming session we are going to complete. Okay, so how the exponential will going to work? I just want to give you 2 into 3 means 2 time multiplication. So it will be treated as a exponential. So it will be gives you the 8 as this output. Okay, the exponential only possible in your this type of example. Okay, 2 time. Okay, might be this will be asked in a interview. Okay, I don't forget about that particular company, but in a company it will be asking that this type of question. Now this question will be gives you 5 1 2 as my output. 5 guys, because I want to tell first, if you are going to run this one, it will be start executing first the bracket, because in our operator there will be a concept called your operand precedency. Means in our Python, if you are going to use this bracket or parenthesis, it will be first start executing this parenthesis, then it will be executing this one. That's why first it will be giving you 3 exponential to 9, then it will be exponential into 2 exponential 9, then only it will gives you 512. Okay guys, so we are remaining in our arithmetic operator, 3 operator: modular division, true division, and floor division. In the upcoming session we are going to complete. So guys, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact to TryRide. Thanks for watching TryRide.